Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style. Welcome back to this new video. Today we are gonna talk about dolls, but before I continue, just let me remind you that I use this channel to practice my English. So I'm sorry if I have any weird pronunciation or if I say some weird words. I'm still practicing, okay? So let's move on with the next video. This will be about Pullip dolls, okay? I talked to you about my Raya Yanami Pullip doll in the past. That was my first doll. I will leave the video on the description below. And this time we are going to talk about these kits called Make It Own kits. And these basically are the body of the dolls. And then you can make it yourself. You can customize your own dolls. So back in the day I got these 4 sets. So today I want to talk to you about this a little bit. These were made by the company Group. Let me see if I can find it somewhere in here. As I told you in my last video, before 2009 the Pullip were made by Jun Planning, which is a Japanese company, but then they swapped to Group company, and this is a Korean company. So they started making these kits. So I got these kits around 2014, 2015. I think first I got 2 and then I got other 2. Let me talk to you a little bit about them. The difference in these 3 sets, 3 kits, it's the skin color. If I remember properly, because I think it's not labeled anywhere, I think one of them was light, tan, and natural. I got these because these were the only kits available at that time. I think at that time these were the only skin tones I could get. I think there was an extra one, like sand or something like that, but that was sold out. So these were the only ones I was able to get, together with this Taeyang. First of all, Pullips are the girl dolls of the company, and Taeyang is the male doll. So basically it's like a Barbie and a Ken. Okay, so let me show you. I will be showing you only one of the kits because I mean it's the same. So this is what the box includes. As you can see, the tape is a little bit yellow because these are kind of old. I have kept them for some years and I forgot to make a video about them because I was planning to do the custom dolls for videos, but I took some time for myself, so I'm getting back to my dolls now. So let's continue. I'm sorry for the backstory. This is what it includes. You have the face, the front piece, the back piece, the body, okay, and in here you have the eye mechanism. I will show you about this later, but it comes with the inside of the head mechanism, the eyelids. I don't know if you can see them properly in here, and it also comes with some screws and the eye chips with some eyelashes. These eyelashes actually are not very good quality. I ended up using other lashes for the one I tried to do. But basically this is all you get in your kit, okay? Actually in the box you also have the pieces you get, and in the back you have very tiny instructions of how to assemble the doll. So basically you won't get any extra instructions in here. You have only the box. The box is in Japanese and English, and you can also find a lot of tutorials on YouTube. So these are the contents, and since these are pretty much the same, I will just show you to the Taeyang body. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same, but the face, let me show you here. The face is a little bit bigger. Okay, the eye mechanisms, the eye, the eyelashes, and the eyelids are pretty much the same. And as you can see in the body, we also have differences. Taeyang body is bigger, it's more muscular, but basically I feel we have the same joints and the same movements, okay? There is one kit that I tried to assemble is this one. Many years ago I did the Bulma cosplay, so with some extra fabric I made this Pullip Bulma cosplay too. These boots, actually I made them a little bit ago. I uploaded a reel on my Instagram. If you want to see it, I will leave the link on the description below. It's Cory style too. So this is one of the make it own dolls. Okay, as you can see, you only get the body, so I had to do the clothes for her. I have to do the wig, I had to do the makeup, which it's a little bit lost, but you can see here. This was my first custom doll that I did by myself. It's not very pretty. Actually, I want to try it again. As you can see, it's very lumping here in the eyes. I used different eyelashes for her because the ones in the box were very low quality. The lips actually I like. The eyebrows, the wig, I made a mess with the wig. Let me show you. You can see it super easily. You can see all the spaces in there. I didn't bought enough hair, so I made a mess. As I was telling you, look, I will remove the wig. This is the doll. Inside you get the mechanism for the eyes, because these dolls can move the eyes from side to side with this kind of lever. And they can also close the eyes. Okay, this is a little bit rusty because I haven't used it, so I don't want to make it get stuck. But basically you can make them close one eye or close both eyes. So basically this is what you can do with this kit. I'm very curious to make like also the Taeyang, because I have never had a Taeyang doll before. And I have still 2 more bodies, these 2, to assemble and make 2 more dolls. Probably Bulma, I will customize her again, like I will redo mainly her makeup and the wig. But I will be making videos for all of that. I will be making videos for each of the sets. So I think we will have a lot of fun with these kits. So I just wanted to show them to you. I have had them for a while, but as you can see, the plastic, it's not stained, it's not broken, so they are pretty well preserved. So my friends, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you enjoy it, please click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. It will make me feel super happy, and that will also motivate me to make more and more videos for this channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye bye.